Intelligent buildings require precise data, scalable systems, and network-compatible devices. With thevios, we offer modern ambient ceiling sensors as a powerful measuring device for efficient building automation. thevios 5 is a powerful room multi-sensor for ceiling mounting. It combines multiple measurements in a single device: motion, luminosity, temperature, humidity, CO2, VOC, and particulate matter. The integrated configurable LED ring can be used for status indication and is controlled via the building automation system. thevios 5 has a modern, discrete design and is available for surface or flush mounting. Via BACnet IP, the thevios 5 can be seamlessly integrated into building automation systems and provides all data in real time. As a cost-efficient ceiling multi-sensor for new buildings or retrofit projects, the thevios 3 offers a precise measurement of temperature, humidity, luminosity, and motion. thevios 3 communicates with the central building automation system via Modbus and is available as a flush-mounted or surface-mounted version. Welcome to the Grid, rethinking sensor technology. The Grid connects multiple thevios multi-sensors to form a modular system architecture. They can be integrated easily and cost-effectively via a 2-wire bus. The thevios hub is the central interface to the building management system via BACnet IP and connects up to 8 thevios satellites into an intelligent network. The system configuration and data management are simply made via the integrated hub web interface. thevios from Thermocon, measuring what brings spaces to life.